So far, the websites we've been creating have not been looking too good. So let's look at some CSS, what CSS can do to help us make the website look much better. I said earlier that CSS is an acronym for Cascading Style Sheets. And CSS helps you to add various attributes to your website. Attributes like color, spacing, which is achieved using margins, paddings, floats, and so many other attributes that you can make use of. All right? Sometimes you can also use CSS to change the type of text you want, the font you want, from Calibri to Cambria to Times New Roman, and so many other fonts are available. All right, and in selecting your colors, you get to make use of various styles of adding colors. Some persons prefer to use what we call hex codes, while some other persons prefer to use basic color names. Whichever is preferable to you, as long as you're able to get the color you want, you can make use of that. All right. Now we're going to make use of CSS to add some little bits of styling to the HTML codes that we've written so far. But before we do that, there are 3 ways of adding CSS to your HTML codes: inline, external, and internal. In inline CSS, you insert your CSS attributes within the tags of your HTML codes. In internal CSS, you insert the entire CSS codes or the CSS styles in the header of that particular page of your HTML codes. While for external CSS, all your CSS codes go into an external file, and then you link it using a referral link or a referral tag within your HTML codes to connect your HTML file with the CSS file that has been created. Based on where the CSS file is located, you might need to impute the entire file path, or you can just call the exact name of the CSS file if both the HTML and the CSS files are located in the same folder. Let's take a look at a sample CSS styling that we can use for our HTML code.